Hello everybody. In this video we will look at the overall structure of our accounting codes and see how the Excel file of the new chart of account can help you to encode correctly in the accounting system. But first of all, you need to understand that each class is divided into one or more families, that each family is divided in one or more subfamilies, and that each subfamily is divided into one or more accounting codes. To give you a more concrete example of this pyramid, you can open the first tab, called Summary, of the Excel file. There you can see that current assets is the class 1. Cash and cash equivalents is the family 10, as well as financial assets is a family 11, advances and prepayments, family 13, etc. In family 13, there are different subfamilies. 130 internal advances, 131 advances done to third parties, etc. And in the subfamily 130, there are different accounting codes. 13,000 operating advances and 13,010 security envelopes. This chart of accounting summary gives you an overall view of all the classes, families, subfamilies, and accounting codes. You can click on the link of the class, family or subfamily, and you will directly be forwarded to the accounting codes. Tab 2 shows the general rules to be followed. Please read this very carefully. Thanks. From tab 3 to tab 7, each tab corresponds to one class. Let's start by tab 3, class 1, current assets. This class contains all the accounting codes used for transfers and for all kinds of advances, except the ones related to the payroll system. The accounting codes we will mainly use are accounting code 11,000, short-term guarantee and deposits, accounting code 13,000, operating advances, accounting code 30,010, security envelopes, accounting code 13,100, advances done to third parties, accounting code 3,300, prepaid rental expenses. Then we go on to tab 4, class 2, non-current assets. The only accounting code we will use in this class is 24,000, guarantees and deposits greater than 1 year. Let's go now to tab 5, class 6, expenses. In this class, you can find all the accounting codes for the expenses. The families we will use are family 60, purchase of medical items, family 61, purchase of non-medical items, family 63, subcontracted services, family 64, transport, family 65, general and running costs, family 66, staff costs, family 67, miscellaneous other operating costs. And last but not least, tab 6, which corresponds to class 7, incomes. All incomes have to be encoded under these accounting codes. The only family we will use in class 7 is family 71, other incomes. For example, donations received in the field, finance incomes like interests, sales of equipment. Just to summarize, in each tab you can find for every accounting code the description, the explanation of the code, the first and secondary description, the third-party code, and the important remarks, if of course there are important remarks. For the expenses class 6 and the incomes class 7, you also have the destination to facilitate the encoding and the source annex for budget purpose. Thanks dear finance colleagues for your attention and good luck with the new chart of account.